Welcome to Backroom Breakdown with Lauren, your analysis of local, state, and federal politics. This is DITV's weekly politics segment where I'll discuss important political events impacting Iowa City. I'm your host, Lauren Johnson. President Joe Biden has chosen Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson as the nominee for the Supreme Court Justice. She would be the first black woman in the Supreme Court. Judge Jackson would replace former Judge Stephen Breyer. Judge Jackson has served Washington, D.C.'s court since March of 2013. Initially, she worked on the Federal District Court in Washington, D.C. for 8 years, and she's currently serving on the Federal Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia. Jackson said that her love for law began at a young age as she watched her dad finish law school and practice law. This enthusiasm followed her throughout school as she participated in speech and debate as well as student government. She then studied at Harvard and earned her law degree cum laude. In court, she believes in a robust policy of public defense, saying, quote, "Having lawyers who can set aside their own personal beliefs about their client's alleged behavior or their client's propensity to commit crimes benefits all persons in the United States because it incentivizes the government to investigate accusations thoroughly and to protect the rights of the accused during the criminal justice process," end quote. For these reasons, President Biden believes that she would make a qualified and equitable Supreme Court justice. He also noted that it was time that the Supreme Court reflected the diversity of America and should uphold the ability of underrepresented groups to achieve whatever they desire. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson responded to the nomination in compliments from President Biden. She said, quote, "If I'm fortunate enough to be confirmed as the next Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States, I can only hope that my life and career, my love of this country and the Constitution, and my commitment to upholding the rule of law and the sacred principles upon which this great nation was founded will inspire future generations of Americans," end quote. Hearings for her spot on the Supreme Court will begin March 21st. The senators who will be present expect to close the session on March 24th. The American Bar Association and other witnesses are expected to make statements at the event. If appointed, Jackson would serve in the liberal bloc of judges. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and much of the Democratic Party is happy to endorse her and say she is more than qualified to fill a position. Schumer said, quote, "She deserves support from the other side of the aisle, and I am hopeful that a good number of Republicans will vote for her, given who she is. And when they meet her, they will be just as loud as I was," end quote. However, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell and many other Republicans worry that she may pose an issue when it comes to conservative concerns. This is due to the fact that her supporters oppose most conservative opinions.
I'm troubled by the combination of this slim appellate record and the intensity of Judge Jackson's far-left dark money fan club.
Democrats hope to confirm Jackson to the court before April 11th, which is when Easter recess begins. Thanks for tuning into Backroom Breakdown. I'll be back next week with more of the latest political news affecting Iowa City, Iowa, and the USA. I'm Lauren Johnson. Have a great day.